we go out to the portal of this institution, our foundation remains firm and solid to attain excellence in our studies, to keep and nurture the ideas and values planted in our young minds, to partake always in community action wherever we may be. Moving up then to more challenges ahead of us, we pray solemnly, promise that we shall forever be loyal to the ideas and tradition of this institution, our alma mater, our very own PBTS Academy, so help me God.